Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at 2014 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the true blue and it looks fantastic. I love the blue color on this guy. Now we do have the chrome accenting on the front here as well as the chrome grille. You do have halogen quad headlamps hanging out there and they are very bright. Now coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires. Lots of tread still left on them, and you got the Ram logo there on the rims as well. Got the 1500 logo there, and you do have heated exterior mirrors here. They look awesome in the chrome, gives it a nice little look, accenting. Now coming around the back here, we do have a 6-foot box. You got the 4x4 logo over here, the Ram logo, and a bit more of that chrome on there. Open this guy up. Tons of room back here. It does have the bed liner on it as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up while you're hauling it. Okay, we got our key, so 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and jump on in. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all there, as well as you got your handle here, got a handle here, and some storage just down there. Now on the door here, you do have the controls of your lights. So you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control right down here. And this guy here is the controls of our windshield wipers and our high beams. Okay, we got our keys here, so let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now we can change that guy in the center from our speedometer to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. We also have our messages, our screen setup, our settings, and we can turn the menu off if it is too bright or distracting. You also have the temperature outside and how many kilometers this vehicle has been. That is all controlled right from here, right from your steering wheel, as well as you got your horn in the center, and you do also have your cruise control options on the other side here. Gear shift right here, so just like that. As well, you do have your radio in the center, so you have your AM and FM as well as Sirius XM here. You got your media player, and then you have your presets down here. You also have your info and your ABC, as well as your volume up and down, as well as the off button. You have the skip, as well as the mute and the pause, and then you have your audio options, your menu, and your back button, as well as your tuner and browser. Controls over the 4-wheel lock, 2-wheel, and 4-wheel low right there. And then you also have your climate controls over here. So you have the power up and down with the circulation, hazard lights up here, AC and the heat here, as well as where it's going to blow out of right there. You got your traction control and your tow and haul mode just down there. And then you can open this guy up, and there is a little bit of extra storage in there, plus a plug-in right there, and another one right over there. Now you do have 3 cup holders here, as well as your armrest that doubles as a storage container. So you have some coin holders right over here, and then over here we do also have a USB plug-in, an aux cord, and a 12-volt charger. Close this guy up, you can lift it up, and there is another seat just under there for you if you did want to seat up to 6 people in here. Now you also got right over here a glove box, lots of room in there. You got your owner's manual, and you got another one right up top. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now it is a quad cab, so you get lots of room back here. You have your handle here, your control of your window, and another handle right over here. Very soft back here as well. Same material as the front with the cloth seats. It feels great. It would be good on long car trips. You also got an additional storage just under here underneath the seat. You can access that if you need to. And then you also have some cup holders just over there. Right under here we do have our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Okay, well that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.